The Black Phantom versus the Mongol Armada. It's 1281. Kublai Khan, grandson of the man who conquered half the world, sends 140,000 warriors across the sea toward Japan. Every kingdom before this, gone. Dust. But something is already waiting in those waters, and it isn't Japanese. A shape drifts through the darkness. No engine noise, no lights. To radar, it looks like a fishing boat, but it weighs 15,000 tons. Meet the USS Zumwalt, and it's about to make history feel very, very different. 4,400 Mongol ships, the largest naval force ever assembled in the medieval world. They've never lost, not once. So why are the sailors on the lead flagship suddenly screaming? Because at 3 a.m., without warning, a fireball swallows their command ship whole. No enemy visible, no sound before impact, just ocean, then an inferno stretching 3 miles wide. The Mongols have no word for what just happened. Here's what they couldn't know. The Zumwalt's SPY-3 radar had already mapped every single vessel, silently, invisibly while they slept. The moment it fired its first Tomahawk cruise missile, this battle was already over. They just didn't know it yet. Flagship after flagship disappears. Supply ships detonate in chain reactions. Leadership collapses in under 20 minutes. A Korean squadron breaks off to flank. Smart move, wrong century. The Zumwalt simply accelerates to 30 knots and swats them out of existence with ESSM missiles. 90 seconds, gone. And here's the twist history never told you. In reality, it wasn't swords or soldiers that stopped the Mongols. It was a typhoon. The Japanese called it Kamikaze, the divine wind. It wiped out the fleet before anyone fired a single arrow. But if the Zumwalt fights instead, no divine wind gets the credit. Instead, survivors crawl ashore whispering about a black phantom that commanded the sea itself. Monks write it down. Legends are born. With only 147 crew and 80 missiles, the Zumwalt can't sink every ship, but it doesn't need to. It destroys the mind of the fleet. Command gone, supplies gone, morale shattered. Kublai Khan plans a third invasion, but dies in 1294 without launching it. Japan stands, not because of divine wind, not because of samurai steel, but because of one ghost ship that appeared from nowhere and vanished just the same. 700 years of technological gap doesn't just win battles, it ends them before they begin. And somewhere in the deep, the Zumwalt slips silently back beneath the horizon, leaving nothing behind but fire, wreckage, and a question that haunted Japan for centuries. What was that thing?